This big guy is a rapid temperature change test chamber designed for defense and military industry, semiconductor sector, low-altitude aviation, and scientific research applications. The test chamber offers a spacious interior, easily accommodating large test specimens. In the military field, it rigorously evaluates the cold and heat resistance of weapon systems, ensuring the reliability of radar, electronic systems, etc. under the harsh environment of the extreme battlefield. In the semiconductor field, it efficiently performs sheet reliability verification by simulating rapid temperature change to review potential issues such as solder joint fractures and packaging failures in advance, significantly improving the durability of electronic products. In the low-altitude field, UAV and ATOL must withstand extreme temperature variations from high-altitude cold to ground-level heat. This chamber can comprehensively test the environmental adaptability of both complete systems and individual components. The core advantage is that it has constant high and low temperature, cyclic temperature shock, and rapid temperature change circle test, while accurately simulating temperature and humidity conditions. If you want to know more detail about chamber modules or test solutions, please leave us a message.